Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. Now I have seen a lot of people not applying moisturizer during the summer days, especially if you have oily skin, right? Now oily skin people, listen to me carefully, okay? If you are not providing any hydration or moisturization to your skin is going to produce more oil and more sebum throughout the day. Yes, so a moisturizer is a must, be it oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. Choose your moisturizer according to your skin type, but remember, a moisturizer is a must. Now today I'm going to recommend a moisturizer which is suitable for all skin type. Today I'm going to introduce you to this newest launch of Ayurveda. It's their Kumkumadi Illuminating and Skin Perfecting Day Cream. This retails for 2,995 rupees and you are getting 50 ml of product. It's a skincare product that promises you to give you flawless and radiant looking skin every single day. And this day cream is designed to brighten and rejuvenate your skin as well as to give you protection from the harmful effects of the sun. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a beautiful glass jar packaging that feels really heavy and classy. And this is how your actual cream looks like. Now one of the key ingredient in this cream is saffron. Now saffron has been used in Ayurvedic medicines for centuries because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Saffron helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while also promoting cell regeneration, which can help to improve the overall texture of your skin. Apart from pure Kashmiri saffron, it also contains licorice extracts and vetiver extracts. You are supposed to apply it all over your face and neck in the daytime, and please follow it up with a sunscreen if you are heading out in the sun. This cream has natural illuminating properties that's gonna provide you dewy golden glow. It's gonna improve skin's texture and remove excess melanin production, and also it helps in correcting your skin's pigmentation. This cream also contains natural sun protector ingredients like mulethi, nak kesar that's going to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Another key ingredient of this cream is lotus, which is known for its ability to hydrate and nourish your skin, and it makes your skin look soft and supple. This Ayurveda Kumkumadi Illuminating and Skin Perfecting Cream is free from paraben, sulfate, fragrance or any kind of harmful chemicals. It's 100% cruelty free, so it's suitable for all skin type. This has a very lightweight, milky, water-like consistency, and when you apply it, it blends into the skin in seconds and it doesn't feel heavy, sticky, greasy or uncomfortable on the skin. It almost feels nothing on the skin and it's so hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. I hope you guys can see it makes my skin look so glowy, dewy, juicy, hydrated and plump, but it's not oily or sticky. Now, I have been using this particular moisturizer from past 1 month just to try it out before making this particular video, but honestly speaking, I have no complaints at all. If you ask me this is worth your money or not, I would definitely say that yes, this is worth your every single penny. This is totally worth your money. But if you are someone who is trying it for the very first time, I would recommend you to go with the mini size of it. Yes, it comes with a mini size as well. So if you are trying it out for the very first time, just try the mini size, and if you like it, you can invest in this one. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. And all of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.